It's 2022 right now, and if you have still not found a way to make money online while laying in bed, then you're missing out a lot. And if that's the case, then you really want to keep watching this video. Today guys, I will show you how you can get paid $15 again and again per each video you watch, game you play or comic you read, all of which you can do from the comfort of your own bed. All you have to do is just grab your phone or laptop, start watching a movie and get paid. It's literally that easy. You will not be doing anything related to affiliate marketing. You won't be promoting anything, and most important of all is the fact that you will not be investing hours of your time into this to only earn pennies. So this will actually pay really decently, but also without you having to invest a lot of time into this. So not only is this not time-consuming, but you do this no matter where you are, whether at home or not. You can also do this with whichever device you prefer, as I said prior. You can use a laptop, you can also use a desktop computer, or you can use your smartphone device. And to top it all off, you won't be doing any hard work whatsoever. So if you want to start making some good money online now, then be sure you stick around. For those of you interested in more than one way to get paid online, be sure you check out the software I have down in the description. It'll allow you to earn even more money online, and you'd also be able to do it from the comfort of your own bed, doing no hard work whatsoever. So do give it a try. The very first website I will be sharing with you today that we will want to use to get paid online is this one right here, called animationarena.com. This is indeed the site that will be paying us today. But you want to stay tuned, because I actually have a bonus platform that will pay you in a similar manner and allow you to make money doing nothing hard whatsoever. Anyhow, what is Animation Arena and how can it get us paid? Well, this is a platform where you can go and find reviews on movies, comics, and even different video games. People are simply leaving their feedbacks on this website that you can check out. And how does this correlate with you making money exactly? Well, because as you can see on this page here, you can actually get paid $15 per single review. And that's actually quite a lot when you think about it. All you would need to do is play some game, for example, then write an honest review of the game, the good and bad basically, and you will earn $15 for doing just that. And no, you don't need any writing skills for this. You don't need to be an expert or whatever. They are actually looking for everyday people like me and you who are watching this video to do this, because after all, they just want an honest review, as I mentioned prior, and you don't need any skills for that at all. What many of you will probably see on this page I'm on right now is that you will only be able to write 10 reviews on a monthly basis, meaning that your earning potential will be limited to $150 per month, which indeed isn't a lot. But what you can do, guys, to get around this problem is simply sign up to this website with multiple emails. And so you would essentially be able to write an unlimited amount of reviews and earn as much money as you prefer. And by the way, to access this page I'm on as we speak, so you can read more about this website if you prefer, what you need to do is go over to Google, type in Animation Arena, get paid to write reviews, and then open up this page right here. To sign up to this site as a review writer, what you will have to do, you can see right here. You will have to send 2 samples of your writing to their email address, which is displayed in blue here. And you will also write in that email basic info about yourself, how old you are, what you would love to review, and a few other basic questions, and you will then be accepted into their team, and you will be able to get paid for merely watching movies, playing games, or reading comics, as easy as that. Animation Arena, however, is far from the only website that will pay you for writing reviews. Another great platform I would highly recommend you check out is this one right here, called G2.com, and this website differs quite a bit from Animation Arena. Unlike the first platform, G2 is not a forum at all. Instead, it's a website best compared with the likes of Trustpilot.com, so you can come on here and get reviews on basically anything, other websites, software, and so on. And it comes in really handy if you want to check out whether or not some website or software for that matter is legit and actually works. As some of you have probably guessed by now, this website does indeed pay you for writing reviews as well. And what you would need to do to start getting paid is come over to G2. Then scroll down a bit and click on Write a Review right here. On the following page, you would now be able to select first in what category the software you are using is in, and then you would select the actual software and write a review to get paid. The issue here, though, that many of you probably have noticed by now, is that you cannot write a review on a software you have never used before, and many of the softwares on this website that you can write a review on are not free, meaning that this requires investment, right? Well, actually, no. What you would want to do is use Google in this particular instance. On Google, you can easily find reviews on basically anything. And what you will want to do from here, guys, is pick a random software in any category you want to. Perhaps one you are interested in or whatever. And then just write in the name of that software in Google, and then reviews next to it. And you would be able to find a bunch of websites where you can find reviews on the particular software with ease. What you would want to do from here is find one particular review on any other website. Doesn't matter which one it is, and you would then want to write a similar review in your own words. So you don't want to copy-paste it, as that would get you banned. Instead, write a review very similar to the one you just read. And in this fashion, you would be able to write a review on basically any software out there and get paid. Despite not using it in the first place, it doesn't get any easier than that. And by using these two websites, which are rather different from each other, guys, you would be able to get paid online doing nothing more than writing reviews, which is easy, of course. With Animation Arena, you would basically watch movies or whatever, and then write reviews to get paid. Meanwhile, on G2.com, you would look for reviews on softwares on Google that you would then want to write in your own words to earn money. If some of you are interested in more ways to make money online, then make sure you click on the videos that will pop up on the screen any second now. And if you liked and enjoyed this video in particular, give it a thumbs up below. It's highly appreciated. As I upload on a daily basis, and since there are more videos already on the way, subscribe and turn on the notifications, and you will get notified whenever a new video pops up. As always, thanks for watching, and see you soon in some of the upcoming tutorials.